Francois et moi. So excited because our new living room sofa just arrived. It's from Joybird. This is safeguard fabric, which means it repels stains. It's a super tight weave, so it's really durable, and it's also light fast. As you can see, it gets quite a bit of sun exposure, and we didn't want it to fade. Our previous sofa was just like super stain ridden, and for good reason. I mean, kids are hard on furniture. But we knew that the next sofa that we got, we wanted to be cleanable. So we are gonna let Sylvie loose on the sofa with an ice cream cone, and then I'm gonna show you how to clean it. Wish us luck. I can't believe we're gonna do this. To town in here with her ice cream. I'm going to show you guys how to spot treat it. What you need are high quality paper towels that won't sort of break apart when they're wet, a spray bottle with 1 cup warm water and a 1/4 teaspoon of an enzyme based detergent. I'm using Mrs. Meyer's laundry detergent. A soft brush. I'm using Sylvie's baby brush. You could also use a toothbrush. And then a cup of water to rinse. What you first want to do, you want to blot, wipe it up. There's a little spot up here, blot, and there's something down there. And then take your warm water and detergent mixture and the spray and get it wet. Then you want to scrubbing from the outside to the middle to avoid spreading the stain. Work your brush in a sort of circular motion. Now we wait 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, so I'm going to rinse with some water. I'm not sitting on the cushion because I don't want it to run at me. Paper towel and blot. Now time will tell. We'll check in as soon as it dries and see where we're at. Okay, so it's been a couple hours. The fabric is dry and everything seems to look good. If you go through all of the steps and you feel like you still see a spot, you can always just repeat the steps to really get that tough stain out. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Don't forget to check out the blog post for more ways to make your hangout space more kid-friendly while also style savvy. Now that the sofa's all clean and Sylvie's napping, I'm going to kick you guys out and catch up on a little reading.